The Mercedes-Benz C-Class W203, produced from 2000 to 2007, is a beloved car known for its blend of luxury and performance. But like any used car, it comes with its own set of challenges. Common issues include crankshaft position sensor failures, leading to stalling and rough idling. The V6 engines can suffer from balance shaft gear wear, causing vibrations. Transmission problems are another concern. The 7-speed automatic transmission can exhibit jerking or hesitation during shifts, often requiring fluid changes to address. Electrical gremlins are also prevalent, with the signal acquisition module, SAM, being a notorious culprit. This component can cause a wide range of issues, from instrument cluster malfunctions to power window problems. However, the W203 rewards proactive maintenance. Regular fluid changes are paramount, especially for the transmission. Consider switching to high-mileage engine oil for added protection. DIYers can tackle tasks like air filter and cabin air filter replacements, which are simple and can be done at home. Online forums like mbworld.org and benzworld.org are invaluable resources for troubleshooting, finding repair guides, and connecting with other W203 owners. Remember, safety first. If you're unsure about a repair, consult with a qualified mechanic. By addressing common issues proactively and embracing the DIY spirit, you can ensure your W203 continues to provide years of driving enjoyment. Upgrade your classic Mercedes car radio with Bluetooth. The Gizmo Guy gadget seamlessly integrates with your factory fiber optic command system, allowing you to stream music and make hands-free calls in crystal-clear CD quality. It's easy to install. Just plug and play, with no static or hissing. Available at gizmoguygadgets.com.